everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Swastika from Swastika's Lifestyle. So today I'll be sharing another hidden gem. It's not a hidden gem actually, it's a cabin, 170 years old cabin in Bagbajar. I think lots of people are guessing which cabin I'm talking about. But the thing is, this is a very hot day and I'm going towards Bagbajar by taking Chokro from Birati station at 4-6. As you, I think lots of people know, and I'll be sharing the exact details and the location. Lots of people know the location though, but those who are not known about the location, I wanna make them aware about the location of cabin. See, cabin is the old heritage of North Calcutta, but the restaurant and whatever the ambience we are getting current days, it's a new building, it's a new established things nowadays. So I wanna make them aware, those who are not known about the North Kolkata cabins and all those things. I'm going through all those things. So yeah, by taking lots of videos, lots of clips, I'll be sharing. Bye-bye. So whenever we are hearing Shambajar Bagbajar things, the first thing which is coming in our mind is like it's heritage, North Kolkata, nostalgia, these things. So yeah, lots of old heritage buildings are getting turned into cafes, restaurant, these things. So Calcutta Bungalow, one of them. I have already explored that thing. Maybe I have not uploaded video or recording anything, but from now I'll be doing this. So let's go. Train from Birati station. See, so we have caught the train. This is the Birati Majarat, Barasat Majarat local. তোমাদের সাথে কিছু ইনফো শেয়ার করি, যারা কিনা বেলঘরিয়া, বেরাটি বা বনগাঁ, বারাসাত এইসব জায়গা থেকে আসছো, তারা মাঝরাট লোকাল সম্পর্কে অনেকেই জানো, আবার অনেকেই জানো না। তাদের জন্য বলে দিচ্ছি, those who are coming from these places, Belgoria, Birati, Bonga, Barasat, like those places, you will be getting Majarat local, Dattapukur Majarat, Barasat Majarat local, Barakpur Majarat local, also available over there. Just do come by getting this Majarat local, and you will be getting your places like Boro Bajar, Shobha Bajar, Bagh Bajar, these places. So whenever we are seeing like Bagh Bajar, or whenever we are hearing Bagh Bajar, the first thing comes in our mind, which is Bagh Bajar, Mayer Ghat, Bagh Bajar for fresh wind, and our Prothom frame, first frame in Bagh Bajar, like that. I mean, Ghat means something like that. So yeah, this is also a place in Bagh Bajar wherever I am going currently. And to be very honest, this is a very old place. This is a very old cabin which I am going to share today. So stay tuned with my channel. I will be sharing everything, and after reaching at the destination, I will be sharing the details of the destination too. So currently I am at Domdom railway station, and from there it will be taking from Patipukul, and then Tala, Kolkata, and Bagh Bajar will be there, and after that Shobha Bajar, Bibiti Bagh, Boro Bajar, Majarat, towards Majarat it will. So guys, I will be sharing something like those who are coming from Barakpur, Barasat, Birati, like these places, you will be getting train for Majarat local, which will be going towards Bagh Bajar from these places like Majarat, Bagh Bajar, like Habra, Bonga, and Barakpur, Habra, Bonga, Dattapukur, these places. So you can come over here like Bagh Bajar, Tala, like these places with a single train. You don't need to pay much more than thing. Even bus is also a hectic for summer days, sunny days. So train is more comfortable for me, and I would like to request, I would like to recommend, just come by train, and then I will be sharing the whole details, cabin details, and all those things. So stay tuned. So this is the whole train situation now after reaching at Domdom, after leaving from Domdom. It's almost empty train because up to Bagh Bajar there is very less people is traveling. It's almost all time situation. It's not for today or tomorrow like that. It's for all time situation, means weekday or weekend you will be getting this type of train, and that's it. So যারা মনে করছো যে কম দামে গার্লফ্রেন্ডকে একটু খুশি করতে চাও, বিকজ লটস অফ পিপল হু আর ওয়াচিং মাই ভিডিও, ইট কুড বি কলেজ স্টুডেন্ট or school students or tuition people, they can do one thing, they can come over here and enjoy your date with a very minimalistic snacks and a fresh air with Ganges. Just sitting over the Ganges, edge of the Ganges is a more powerful than everything, if I said truly, because আমি আমার প্রথম প্রেম গঙ্গাধারে শুরু করেছি। তোমাদের বলেছিলাম মায়ের ঘাট, বাগবাজার মায়ের ঘাট। দিস ইজ বাগবাজার মায়ের ঘাট, and this is the Bagbazar station. So yeah, we have reached our destination. Finally we have reached our destination. This is the Bagbazar Ghat. Yes, see, this is the Bagbazar. This is the ghat which I was talking about during the train journey. So let's go see the rush. Two train was passing by the line. So this is the rush actually. So যেমন তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, এটা সেই গঙ্গার ঘাট যেখানে অনেক মানুষের জীবনে প্রেম শুরু হয়, শেষ হয় দুঃখ কষ্টের সাথে এই গঙ্গা। এটাই হচ্ছে বাগবাজার গঙ্গার ঘাট। অনেক মানুষ এখানে স্নান টান করে। এটা শ্মশান ঘাটও একটা, গেওড়াতলা মহাশ্মশান, সরি কাশীমিত্র মহাশ্মশান, সরি শ্মশান ঘাটও আছে এদিকে। প্রচুর লোক বিকালবেলা এখানে নিজের টাইম স্পেন্ড করতে আসে, ফ্রম লাভার্স টু অল। মা যেটা করছে, আমাদের বাঙালিদের মতো গঙ্গাকে মা বলা হয়, গঙ্গা মা বলা হয়, তাই তাকে প্রণাম করা, অ্যান্ড অল দোজ থিংস আর রিচুয়ালস ইন বেঙ্গলি। Guys, currently we'll be going to the cabin, and this is the Gangar Ghat. As you can see, this is the Gangar Ghat extension, and we'll be going towards this way. This is the cabin way. So this is the way. I hope you guys know this way. The right hand side is towards Kumotuli, and this is the Bagbazar Sarbojin, and this is the Chops. These autos used to go up to Bagbazar Bata. If you wanna go towards Bata, you can have this auto, only 10 rupees. Lots of shops are available for Shakha, বাঙালিদের পবিত্র জিনিস শাখা কলা, and this is towards Bagbazar Sarbojinin Pujo and Bagbazar Batar Moor. So we all know this is the Laltu cabin. We all know this famous place. Lots of day before it has gone viral. Laltu cabin. So guys, if you come in Shambazar or Bagbazar, you will be getting lots of options to explore. Even lots of ghat like Shambazar, Shobhabazar, Bagbazar Ghat. Lots of different ghats are available, like Bhutnath Mandir are also available near the Bagbazar Sarbojin and Durga Pujo Math. I hope you guys know this place a lot. বাজারের রাস্তাও বলতে পারো, কারণ এখানে যখন দুদিকে বাজার বসে গেছে অলরেডি। সো এই বাজারের রাস্তা ধরে তোমাদেরকে সোজা যেতে হবে 4 to 5 minutes. You can avail auto also if you wanna go without any step. I mean, if you wanna go by auto, you can have it. গিরিশ মঞ্চ, অনেকেই হয়তো এটা জানো। গিরিশ মঞ্চ যেখানে কিনা বিভিন্ন রকমের different types of momos are available. Hot Thai momo, I have also taken lots of momo, but I have not made any videos. Beside this Sri Chaitanya Dwar, this is the momo stall. Here the road is dividing into two way. This is the left way, which is towards BT Road, and the right way towards that famous cabin, Bholanath cabin. I hope lots of people have already guessed it before that, which cabin I am talking about. So this is the place. We'll be going through this way. The Sanjeevani way. এটার নাম কি ছিল? এটা তো towards ভোলানাথ কেবিন, আর অপোজিটের ওয়েটার নাম কি ছিল? এই ওয়েটা কি? এই রাস্তাটা কি? আচ্ছা মনে নেই, আনফর্চুনেটলি মনে নেই। But through this way we will be getting our destination, which is Bholanath cabin, 170 years of old cabin. And if you see the buildings over here, all are heritage building and very old days building. It's not new architecture, as you can see. So let's go. So guys, here I'm presenting the most better destination, Bholanath cabin. So let's see. the crowd, the actual crowd of Bholanath cabin. And this is the old famous cabin. As you can see, this is the motivated cabin, Bholanath cabin. The place is 170 years old. This is the menu of Bholanath cabin. আমারটা থাক, আমি খাচ্ছি কি করো, কি হলো? See the filling, guys. Too much filling is there and the coating is very less. I mean the coating is very thin, not thick like others. So taste it. কেমন খেতে? আরে খেতে কেমন সেটা তো বলবে। ভালো। আমার একটা ইচ্ছা থাকে শুধু ভালো, বাট it's definitely good to have because I have tasted it before also and I have taken a chicken fry. আমরা ডেফিনেটলি এগ ডেভিল ফিশ ফ্রাই বাড়িতে পার্সেল করেছিলাম অ্যান্ড ভোলানাথ কেবিন আর চা হবে না। অপোজিট অফ গিরিশ ভবন। This is the Bholanath cabin and this is the Girish